All right, guys, on this one, like I said, it's not a volume issue. It's a clarity thing, but we want to hear everything. We think all of you all performed
That's
very
happened
well.
before, believe it or not. There's other places.
Everybody in the class performed very well. Everybody got to talking, and this is the 3 bikes they thought that really sounded the best. So, play what you want to play for 1:30. Chuck, you're going to be first, then we're going to go to Guido, and then Jason, and then we'll decide from that. All right, let's go.
Okay, what's up? Shut up. Okay, what's up?
Man, that sounds really good. I tell you what, some of these guys have an advantage, like Chuck and the Cheater Mac. They don't have fairings on their bikes, so when you hear a bike that don't have a fairing that surprises you, you got to understand there's, they don't have a head unit or nothing up there. So give it up to these guys that compete with no head unit, with no front fairings.
I wanna know what you wanna do. What if I could say there wasn't any rules? I wanna play. Suddenly the sky erupts. Flames alert the trees. Spectre falling leaves. Now they're wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying? I never feel so
Let's party like no mañana, como si no hay mañana. Party like no mañana, como si no hay mañana. Let's live like no mañana, como si no hay mañana. Do it like no mañana, we party like this. No mañana. Rumba, 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 rumba.
Time's up, man. This bike sounds good. Really good. All right, Jason. Let's hear it.
Sounds awesome.
Nice job. Partner, you got an invite. Who did your autograph? Me. Did you? Shit's sounds good. I'll do other people. Especially at 5 in the corner.
We the best.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Like I was sitting on the brown. When I get like this, I can't be around. I'm too little to dim down a notch. Cause I can into things that I'm gon' do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 thoughts.
Maybe it's time for me to give you all the love you
Man, everybody sounds good too. All right, guys, pull out, and then we're gonna have a meeting real quick, and we'll get right back with you.